Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI inside Roblox Studio with the help of Claude. This is an incredibly powerful workflow in 2026 because it allows you to generate scripts, fix errors, and build Roblox game systems even if you're a beginner. By the end of this walkthrough, you will learn how to generate Roblox scripts, add game mechanics, debug problems, and build features faster using AI. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install Roblox Studio. You need to install Roblox Studio. Go to Roblox website. Okay. Let me go ahead to the roblox.com. Right. I'm gonna log in using my credentials, obviously. Right. And inside, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit create here. So let me go ahead. Right. Inside here, you're gonna see, of course, create. Right. Download the Roblox Studio, install and open, of course, the program. As inside, you will see the game creation dashboard. You can start with templates like base plate, obby template, racing template, RBG template. For this tutorial, choose base plate to start simple. I haven't downloaded Roblox Studio yet, but if you do, you could just go ahead and start your new project. Okay. Inside Roblox Studio, scripts are written using Lua, the main scripting language for Roblox. To add script, go to the Explorer panel, right-click server script service, click Insert Object, and choose Script. A code editor will appear. We talked about this in the previous video inside the Studio. Okay. And step 3, use Claude AI to generate Roblox scripts. Now open Claude AI in your browser. Instead of writing code manually, you can just ask Claude to generate Roblox scripts. Okay, it's an example prompt. Create a Roblox Lua script that gives a player 10 coins every time they touch a part, right? So you can just type it here. Claude will generate something like Lua code, comments explaining the logic, instructions for where to place the script. And then copy the code and paste it into your Roblox Studio script. Now press play to test the game. If everything works correctly, the player will receive coins when touching the object. Step 4, create interactive game mechanics. Claude can help create many types of Roblox systems. Examples you can ask for: leaderboards, coin collection systems, teleporters, doors that open with buttons, player health systems, inventory system. So here's an example. Write a Roblox Lua script that creates a leaderboard showing player coins. Okay. Claude will generate the full code. Paste it into server script service and test it. Step 5, use Claude to fix error. Every developer runs into bugs. When your script breaks, copy the error message from Roblox Studio, paste it into Claude, ask for help fixing it. Here's an example, right? Here is my Roblox Lua script in the error message. Can you fix the bug? Okay. Claude will usually explain what went wrong, rewrite the correct code, suggest improvements. This saves hours of troubleshooting. Step 6, generate UI systems with Claude. Roblox games often need user interface. Claude can help you generate UI systems. Here's an example. Okay. Create Roblox Lua script that makes a button GUI, which gives the player 50 coins when clicked. Excuse me. Claude will provide GUI setup instructions. Claude will provide GUI setup instructions, Lua script, button interaction logic. You can then insert a screen GUI inside starter GUI and apply the script. Step 7, build the game systems faster. Claude can also help build more advanced mechanics. Examples include shop systems, level systems, weapons scripts, teleportation systems, NPC dialogue systems. So it's an example that you can use. Create a shop system where players can buy items using coins, right? And paste it here. Claude will generate multiple scripts and explain how they work together. This is extremely useful for building complex games quickly. Step 8. Optimize and improve your code. After generating scripts, you can ask Claude to optimize them. Here's an example. Right? Optimize this Roblox Lua script to reduce lag and improve performance. Right? Claude might suggest event-based scripting, reducing loops, server-side improvements. Optimization is important when your game grows. Step 9. Learn Roblox scripting faster. Claude is also an excellent teacher. Right? So you're gonna go ahead, take this, explain this Roblox Lua script step by step like I'm a beginner. Okay, Claude will break down variables, functions, events, game logic. This helps you learn Lua while building games. Step 10. Build the complete Roblox games with AI. Once you understand the basics, you can ask Claude to generate entire game systems. Okay, example. Create a Roblox obby system with checkpoint. Right? Or create Roblox simulator game where players collect coins and upgrade speed. Create Roblox tycoon system. Claude will outline the full structure, require scripts, folder organization, UI component, gameplay mechanics. You can then build the game step by step. Here are some mistakes new Roblox developers often make when using AI. Copying code without understanding it, putting scripts in the wrong location, ignoring error messages, testing only once instead of multiple times, overcomplicating the first game. Start simple and improve gradually. Okay, here's the easiest way to use AI with Roblox development. Create your Roblox Studio project, ask Claude to generate Lua scripts, paste the scripts into Roblox Studio, test the game, fix errors with Claude, add new features gradually. This workflow can help beginners build games much faster than learning alone. Combining Claude with Roblox Studio is one of the fastest ways to learn game development in 2026. AI can help you generate scripts, explain programming logic, build complex game mechanics even if you are just starting out. With practice, you can go from simple scripting to building full Roblox games that players around the world can enjoy. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.